In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Figma and Figjam. Figma to HTML and CSS import with Ampere. First, head to the Figma website and open the file or board where you want the video to appear. This works the same way in both a design file and a Figjam board, so choose whichever space you're working in. Give the canvas a second to load fully so the plugin runs smoothly. Next, open the Actions menu. This is Figma's quick command palette, and it lets you find tools and plugins without hunting through menus. In the search bar, type Ampere. You'll see the Ampere plugin appear in the results. Click the plugin to open it, then select the YouTube and Vimeo option. When you see that option, go ahead and run it so the embed panel opens. Now it's time to bring in your video. Copy the full YouTube link for the video you want to embed, then paste it into the field in the Ampere panel. A direct YouTube URL works best. After you paste the link, the plugin will generate the embedded video on your canvas. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to load. With the video on the canvas, you can fine-tune how it looks. Click the pencil icon to adjust its size. This is a quick way to set a width and height that fits your layout, whether you're building a mock-up in Figma or organizing a workshop board in Figjam. Keep an eye on proportions so the video doesn't look stretched, and use your existing layout as a guide for consistent spacing. When you're happy with the size, you're done. Simply click the video to play it right inside Figma or Figjam. This is great for design reviews, documentation, and shared boards where you want stakeholders to watch a reference clip without leaving the file. If playback stutters, check your internet connection or try again after a moment. A few quick tips as you work. Use clear labels or a small caption near the video so collaborators know what they're watching. If you're preparing handoff materials for HTML and CSS, embedding the video can serve as an interactive spec note or demonstration of behavior. And remember, the same Ampere workflow applies whether you're embedding a YouTube link in a design file or a Figjam board. That's all there is to it. Open your file, run Ampere, choose YouTube and Vimeo, paste the link, adjust with the pencil icon, and press play. Try it in your next project to keep everything in one place and make your reviews more engaging.